Hello guys, today we'll be looking at Python virtual environment. What is Python virtual environment? A virtual environment is an isolated Python environment where you can install packages independently for your system-wide Python project for a specific Python project that you are working on. So let's see uh, how you can initialize Python environment in your project. So to initialize Python environment, we'll start by creating a new folder on our desktop here. New folder. Call it environment env. Inside of this new folder, you can open it with VS Code. Open with code editor, which is your VS Code or any code editor that you have on your system. Go to your terminal and new terminal. So inside of this terminal, to initialize Python environment, you start by writing python-m venv python make venv, then the env name, you can call it anything. It's usually a folder. So in my case, I will call it env.env. That is the folder that the Python environment variables will be initialized. You can see we now have this folder here called .env because that is what we told it to be called, env. So after running this now, we need to activate the env package in Python. So to activate the env, you start by going to the folder, the env folder. This folder, inside there you go to script and run the activate file. That is the one that you will run to activate it. Activate and hit enter on your keyboard. You can see it's now activated now. So after activating this, we need to so any package that you install here will be isolated to only this particular project. For instance, if I run pip install flags, flags will only be installed for this current project that I just initialized, this current folder that I just initialized my env variables. As you can see, flags is done installing. Yeah, so that is how you initialize env variables in Python. Thank you.